Excuse me! Woo! Little fella? Hello? Don't be rude. Say hi.
Hello.
His son Bingo,
Nemo,
was taken to, Sydney. Yes, and it's really, really important that we get there as fast as we can. So can you help us out? Come on, little fella. Come on.
Dory, I'm a little fella. I don't think that's a little fella.
Oh, big fella. Whale. Okay. Maybe he only speaks whale. We need
Dory?
to
What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you sure you speak whale?
Can you
Dory, heaven knows what you're saying. See, he's swimming away.
Come back.
He's not coming back. You offended him.
Maybe a different dialect.
Dory, this is not whale. You're speaking like upset stomach.
Maybe I should try humpback.
No, don't try humpback. All right. You actually sound sick.
Maybe louder, huh?
Don't do that.
Too much orca. Didn't it sound a little orca-ish?
It doesn't sound orca. It sounds like nothing I've ever heard. It's just as well he might be hungry.
Don't worry. Whales don't eat clownfish. They eat krill. Swim away! Oh, look, krill.